In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the area of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says the radius of a circle is 2 meters, what is the area of the circle? Round answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so we have to round our answer. So the formula to find the area of a circle using its radius is area equals pi times r squared. So pi, the approximate value of pi is 3.14. So once we start using an approximation for pi, we have to use this little approximate equal sign. So pi is approximately equal to 3.14 and r equals 2 meters. So we could just plug those into our formula here, and now our equal sign becomes an approximation. So we multiply 3.14 times 2 squared. 2 is our radius here. So that area is approximately equal to 2.56 meters squared. So now when we round, we're going to round to the nearest tenth, right? So when we round to the nearest tenth, we look to the hundredths place, and we see that this number is 5 or greater, which means that we have to round the 5 up. So it becomes a 6. So we're rounded to the nearest tenth. It becomes 12.6 meters squared. So we've rounded to the nearest tenth here. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.